Hi lovely friends. If you're frustrated, just ask the Gemini assistant. Today, I'll show you an easy way to turn off Gemini on Android 2025. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Open the Google app. Press your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings. On this page, you'll see the option Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a virtual helper by Google that answers your questions, sets reminders, and helps with tasks using your voice. It works on phones, smart speakers, and other devices to make everyday tasks easier. Go into Google Assistant. Scroll down and find Digital Assistants from Google. Digital Assistants from Google refers to smart help features like Google Assistant that use AI to support you. It helps with voice commands, scheduling, searching information, and controlling smart devices easily. On the Digital Assistants from Google page, uncheck Gemini and select Google Assistant instead. A pop-up will appear saying, Switch to Google Assistant. Switching to Google Assistant means you're changing from another voice assistant, like Gemini, to Google Assistant. It lets you ask questions, set reminders, and control your devices with your voice. Press Switch. It will ask you for a reason. Just type, I don't want Gemini. Then press Submit. If you are able to turn off Gemini, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.